Yes, sir.
Yes, please carry on.
Good evening, friends. I am Darla Divyanandani. Today, I would like to tell you about my dreams. After 15 years, I want to see myself as an entrepreneur. For that, first, I'll do a job in a good MNC company. Then, I'll start my earnings. With that, I'll start a business and I'll develop it. Then, I can provide employment for some people. So, I want to become a good entrepreneur. So that is my career aspiration. Then I want to build a house for my parents and gift car for them. So I want to surround myself with positivity and good people. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
Nice, Nandini ji. Very nice dream, very nice aspiration. And here I'm able to see nice diagram. Actually, you accept.
Good evening, friends. Today I would like to about my future planning. Here I divided my life into two parts. One is up to 20 years and after 20 years. Up to 20 years. First I will tell up to 20 years. Now I have one child. I'm working as a chemistry lecturer for now. Within 2 years, I want to become a good administrator in corporate sector. If my husband goes to the abroad, I will go there and I will continue my job there also. Within 2 to 3 years, I will want to buy a new flat in Bangalore. That's it for my up to 20 years, my dream. After 20 years, we want to go to our native. There we have one house. So some land also we have. So in that we want to do organic farming. That's my dream. It's very simple and smart.
Nice, ma. Simple and realistic, practical. Good, good. Nice. Very good, very good. Nice, madam.
Thank you, sir.
And goes to abroad. No, no. If my husband goes abroad, abroad am two undadu. If my husband goes abroad, okay, fine. Mr. Sai Pavan. Yes.
Hello friends, good evening to everyone. Today I would like to share with you about my dream. Currently I am doing my graduation. After that I want to become a civil engineer. After that I want to become
2 plus V1. Always 2 plus V1.
I want to become a civil engineer. After that I will start my own company. In that I will achieve many heights. I would like to buy a modern car and an individual villa. In that villa, I would like to be with my family happily. Thank you, friends, for giving me this opportunity.
Very good. What is this cap?
Civil engineer cap.
Oh, civil engineer cap. Okay, okay. Fine, fine. Very good, very good. Nice, Mr. Pavan.
Today I would like to place before you my dreams. First picture, my beautiful house. Now I have a good home, but there is no additional facilities like car parking and garden. I want to buy a beautiful house with all facilities, and also I will farm vegetables and fruits in that garden. Next picture, second picture, I do some charity activities at Chiguru once a year. Now I want to do charity activities once a month. Third picture, I have been playing shuttle with my members of family since lockdown. I want to play after lockdown. Fourth picture, I will go to Paris and take selfie at Eiffel Tower with my members of family. Not only Paris, but also Taj Mahal and all devotional places. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
Okay, nice, Mr. Prasadji. This time you have excelled in our language. Means, I don't find any errors. Charity activities, instead of that, you say charitable activities, charitable. Okay, but remaining everything is fine. And slowly you are getting command over that. I feel so happy. Good. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Right,
Good evening,
correct.
friends. I'm Harshika. Firstly, I want to complete my graduation. I want to become an agriculturist. I'll grow my own food and motivate others to start backyard or terrace gardening. And I want to see homegrown happiness. I will do farming someday. I hopefully want to be blessed with a happy family and to have a nice villa. I wanted to travel all around India and watch all historical places. That's it, sir. Thank you.
Okay, fine, fine. Very good, very good. Nice. Then next one, Mr. Gopi from Amaravati.
Good evening, friends. I'm Gopi Rajan. Today I will explain my dream activity. Uh, Here I want to become a bank manager. After that, I want to build my house like this. This is a large land. I want to build my house in small village because I like village environment and village people. Uh, after getting my job in my free time, I want to teach villagers, farmers, or illiterate people. I want to teach them how to use smartphone, how to know, how to bank providing schemes, on how to get loans or schemes, and um, how to avoid frauds, how to secure ourselves from thefting or bank thefting or like this. I want to explain all those with them. After that, in my free time, I want to play with my children. Uh, Badminton, and
Nice.
then after uh, in my garden, I want to grow vegetables. I like natural organic food without pesticides. So this land is for this. And, thank you very much to give this.
Nice, nice, Mr. Gopi. Good, good. You need to say theft, not thefting. It's not a verb. You can add ing form. It's a noun actually. No need. Nice. Good, good. Next.
A very good evening, friends. I am Sanvika. Today I would like to present before you my future dream. First, I want to become a doctor, and I must build one hospital, and in that I give treatment for poor people, and I must build one house in village. The home is surrounded with garden, and I must buy one car, and I will be happy with my parents in the home. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
Very good, Sanvika. I mean, grammatical is correct, and you are getting confidence levels. I'm happy to see you. Good, good, nice.